It was tiring. I had few meetings and then later on I came back home and I'm just chilling.
Tansy, I love your finale gown.
Thank you. I
You
wish
look
I can
so
get
good.
that.
She actually sprained her ankles right before the
Yes,
finale. And she went
right.
blind for 2 days too. She has a lot of story to tell from Miss Grand India.
I had a lot of stuff going on, man. The finale days, they were like, but I don't know. It's fine. It is what it is.
It's always Tansy, how are you? For like the last 5 days of the the competition. Every time you
Oh
see
my
Tansy, you
God.
have to go like, Tansy, how are you? How are you doing?
Everyone, 30, all the 30 contestants were like, Tansy, are you okay? Tansy, I'm like, now, guys, even if anything happens, I will be fine. Don't ask
Yeah,
me
and
again.
she
I'm
had
tired
to,
of the question.
yeah, she had to literally shout and make an announcement, guys, I'm okay, so please stop asking me.
Tansy, wear your crown, please. Okay, I'll get my crown. Wait.
This is my mother, Tansy. Hello. Baby. Akram, this is my
Hi,
mother.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Hello, Auntie. How are you? What's your mother's name?
I don't think you'd be able to pronounce, but just call her Ma.
Try me. Walang
Ah.
twangli. Try me.
Uh-huh. Marwati.
Sorry, come again.
Call her No Marwat. 3 syllables, babe.
Maron.
No. You call her No in front because she's like a mother to you. So you put No before that.
Nu.
Yeah. Marwat.
Marwan.
No Marwat.
Nu Marwan.
Ah, that's good. And how many languages do you know, babe, fluently?
French, English, Hindi, Gujarati.
So she find it easy to pronounce my name too.
Yeah, everyone used to go like we, and I'm like, no, that's one last twangli.
My mom saying that even before she knew that we were roommates, she notices you among all of the top 5.
Because you have the quality.
Yeah, she says that you have equality. Tangay. You're breaking up.
Yeah, or something. I'm not sure.
Yeah, your
But I
voice is
miss you
breaking.
a lot,
I miss you too, babe.
everyone.
Cyrilla should have
Come
joined.
to
Maybe we should play. This is my sister. Hey,
Hi, sister.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Why she didn't come there?
Ah, you know, babe. You know why.
I know, I know.
We all
Oh
should
my
plan
my.
we all should plan to go on a live, the 3 of us.
Yes, we can. I just downloaded VPN so that I can come on live with you.
Oh, you had to go through all of
Because
that.
yeah, it's like you cannot use WhatsApp calling here. You cannot use the Instagram calling or any social media callings.
Oh,
Either
that
do the normal call or they only have this app bottom.
do, uh, don't delete that so soon, so we can plan
I'll
to
not.
go on a live. The 3 of us with
Yes.
accounts. 311.
Ooh. Room 311.
Yes, let's do that.
I just saw notification and I was like, oh, V is live. Let's go to her live.
And I'm always live, according to the contestants. You
according to
know
the
what,
contestants also.
Tansy?
It's great. I believe it's like a good way of connecting to your people and audience, because at the same time you cannot be with anyone and everyone at particular time. So it's like live is a good way to, chit chat with everyone.
Even when Sakshi was doing everyone, when she does me, she was like, "Hi, I'm on live," because they're saying that I'm always on live. This girl.
uh for me, like, this is my first live. You gotta do things. It is first time for everything, so it is my first time for live.
Yeah. So I'm actually on live from his phone, and he has to go home now. So we have to end this
Oh,
soon.
okay, let's end it. We're gonna catch up again very
Yeah.
soon.
We'll talk to
Okay.
Riri, and then we'll try to go live, the three of us.
Yes. Babe, you know what happened? I was just trying to be in my slippers because I cannot wear heels, I cannot wear shoes. And then I got shoe bites, and they are very bad. It looks like as if I have a wound on my leg, and now both of my legs are gone.
Ah, you
What's
have to
wrong
do some
with
ritual
me?
to get your luck back, babe.
I think so. I think so. I gotta do that.
Yeah. So we'll talk soon.
Yes. Bye
Okay. Bye
bye.
bye. I
How
miss
do
you.
we say
Bye.
bye in your language?
Mangcha.
Mangsha, everyone, and for everyone.
Mangcha vek u.
Mangsha, vek wu.
Yeah, vek u.
Vek u. Mangsha, vek u.
Bye bye, baby.
Bye bye.
Trong thiam hnu wang hianin mizo trong poi har sat lo ka ming po hi har te rin hianin alam all sam to ne Tansy. She's really good with languages. So hey, Sarah wa phone chang kan live ni chin han phone thi wangin. Chuan kan an ho do to hey.
Họ tổ mẹ bên mua cái nấm xa. Bên mua cái nấm xa cái nó tổ mẹ.
Chuanin nakina kan lo live le va turangai la. Ya Tansy ka chu ka room ni na cute last quality chuanin mo
Cụ bạn sẽ cháu xấu.
chuanin kan ni choi khom le thei ve le em mo kan lo live le va don ya ke ma poi